And it's time to leave the city of dreams, Mumbai. See you later, guys. Good morning, everyone. So we have just left the hotel and we are leaving for the Mumbai domestic airport now because we are going to Bangalore. How are you feeling? Excited? Finally, we'll be going your home.
Excited for Calcutta now.
Really?
Yeah.
And me, Bangalore.
Yeah, Bangalore is you because it's your Sasural.
Yes, and also for the weather. It's raining there.
It's
So.
raining.
Yeah. So looking forward to it. Everything was very nice in Mumbai as well. But now it's time to go. And yes, it's 6:30 in the morning. We haven't had anything. So once we reach the airport, we'll have our coffee and all. So we'll see you once we have our boarding passes. Okay, guys. Boarding has started.
Yes.
Let's have some coffee also now on the way.
I just discovered this beautiful language of Bengali that my wife taught me. So
I'm a
I just
Bengali,
asked
guys.
her, what do you say if I have to go straight? And she said, Shoja. So then I asked her, then what do you say if I want to sleep? She said, Ghumiye ja. And then I asked her, what do you say if you want to roll or go outside? Then she had no answer.
No, I said Baireja.
Baireja. So, beautiful language.
Of course it is. But I'm not Bengali, guys, just to make it clear. So guys, he kept telling his family members that I'm Bengali. I'm not a Bengali. I'm half Bihari, half Marathi and Bundelkhandi. So
Living in Calcutta since birth.
okay, I grew up in Calcutta. That doesn't mean I'm Bengali, no? You're Punjabi, you grew up in Karnataka. That doesn't mean you're Kannada. No, I'm not Bengali. Okay? Period. Finally got my coffee. Here I'm editing my episodes and waiting for the boarding. Finally, it's time to board the aircraft and take off. We are in Bangalore! So happy! Finally, after 1 hour 40 minutes flight from Air India, we have arrived in Bangalore. Now let's go home. Guys, we have arrived at Bangalore. So happy. After 2.5 years since pandemic, I'm arriving at my in-laws' place. Also, this is a city I'm fond of very much because this was a city I met my husband for the first time. He's born in Bombay, but he's brought up in Bangalore. And since the time we have been dating, every time I visited Bangalore, he has been coming to pick me up, of course. And we have stopped by. We had always stopped by this Hati Kapi at the airport to have a filter coffee. That's where he's buying the coffee from. So even today our point was to have some coffee first and then go home because it's a good 1.5 hours drive home. So we'll be all fresh once we reach home. Guys, if you notice, my skin has become real bad with all the pimples and all and suntan, everything, so please ignore that. Right now I'm happy because I'm in India and able to be visiting all my family members, so skin can be better once I'm in a stable, once I'm back to base and doing proper treatment. Yeah, so stay tuned for more exciting videos on India. And that's about it. See you once we reach home. Hi Shanu.
New edition, Jaggery filter coffee.
Did you? Oh my god, really? Okay. So I'll be trying the Jaggery filter coffee for the first time. बस हम दोनों ने बैठे और banana cake along with coffee relish किया.
అదే పద్మనాభ నగర్ నిసర్గ
और फाइनली 1.5 घंटे के बाद हम घर पहुंच गए। पहुंचते ही मम्मा ने बहुत टेस्टी होम फूड डिलीशियस खाना प्रिपेयर किया था और बस मैं और गौरव आते ही खाने बैठ गए घर का खाना इतने दिनों बाद। और ये देखिए मम्मा ने चिकन बिरयानी बनाई, चिकन करी, एज इन माई मदर इन लॉ ने। शी डजंट ईट चिकन हरसेल्फ बट शी प्रिपेयर्स फॉर अस ऑलवेज, सो इट वाज सो डिलीशियस। फिर हमने चाय नाश्ता किया। खाने के बाद सबके संग चाय पीने का मज़ा ही कुछ और है। और ये हमारे घर से बालकनी का व्यू, सो मच ग्रीनरी, आई जस्ट लव इट। गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस फ्रॉम बैंगलोर। सो जैसे कि आपने देखा yesterday we reached but we didn't have any energy. I didn't have any energy to shoot any video because we just ate and slept. We were super exhausted and spent quality time with my parents-in-law. So it was very private and yeah, so there was nothing much to capture. And also my in-laws, they are not camera friendly, so I don't want to shoot at home while they are there. So we had our breakfast as you saw. Baby, hi, good morning. Right now we are in auto rickshaw. We are going for some official documents for me. Just some passport changes and all. Can't disclose on camera. And I hope you're getting my voice loud and clear with all the noise around. So yeah, we're just going for some official work. After that, we'll meet some of our friends. This is the second day and the last day in Bangalore. We're just here for 2 days. So we'll try to make the most of it and capture some good moments to show you guys also. So stay tuned. So guys, we're done with the official work which we needed to do. It was specifically for me. And now we are going to UB City, one of the famous malls in Bangalore, and would be meeting 2 of our friends. Not possible to meet everyone. Like I said earlier, we don't have enough time here. So yeah, we'll try to make the most. And tonight I'm cooking dinner for my parents-in-law. So I'm super excited for that.
Hail Lord Jesus, bless us all.
Hello, what do you mean?
You heard it. Okay. And by the way, no personal work and all that. Aadhaar card nahi bana tha iska, so we just got it.
Why you have to say that? Because I don't live in India, so I didn't have Aadhaar card ready yet. So anyway.
I live in Sanpada. Even I don't live in India, but I had Aadhaar card.
So what? Guys, ignore him. So anyway guys, join us for some coffee and all, and later for dinner. Stay tuned. I know it's a very simple vlog, but like I keep saying, not everything has to be fancy every time. So
But there's always
this
a
is
twist.
a raw.
So the vlog with a twist. So.
Exactly. And this is just a raw episode, so please enjoy. If you do, you know what to do. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
So we went at Kaban Park and we're going all the way to University. This is a short route to University.
This
So
is
we
Kaban
go,
Park?
Yeah, so we go via Kaban Park.
Okay.
You will see a lot of this entire park is so well maintained for over about 60 years or so, and it goes in acres. It just spreads across in acres. This is the central library, which you see on your right here. Sorry, our right. Show the library there. Yeah.
This is a central library, guys.
Yeah. Just keep it on. Show the place. So here on the left is where I used to come here for badminton. Sorry, here. There's
So my husband used to come to play badminton here. There's a badminton academy, and he's reliving his childhood memories also. So it's wonderful to be here. And Bangalore is one of my favorite cities
that
in the
on the
world.
left is the High Court there. The entrance towards the High Court.
Okay,
So the Karnataka High Court is here.
alright. This was the place where we had come for the local train.
Yeah.
Kaban
But it's a huge place, so the entrance to that location is very
Separate.
different.
And maybe this is also the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden
No,
also.
no, this is different. Lal Bagh. London is academy.
Guys, we have reached UB City, one of my favorite malls here in Bangalore. So let's get going. baby, we are in UP City. So guys, I'm in UB City now. As I showed you, the mall is so beautiful, so lovely. This is my second or third time here. Every time I come here, I enjoy. So right now we are going to meet one of our friends. Then afterwards, some another friend would join us for some coffee, and then we'll head home. So yeah, that's about it. So let's get going. We're going to Farzi Cafe now. Hi baby. Your restaurant, Farzi, how you feel? Good.
For tomorrow.
I need to speak to them.
Thank you. By tomorrow and let me know.
The position.
Shrimps.
She vlogs a lot. Spicy?
Very nice. Love it. Yes. And now that's mutton gulati.
We've made our 12K.
And guys, this is Malwani fish curry. We are being so pampered here.
Neelandra.
Wow. So we are thoroughly enjoying our lunch here because everyone knows Gaurav. So we are being pampered with so many delicacies, and it's been a great experience as always in Farzi, right baby? And so thanks to him and his colleagues here who respect him so much, and I'm always so proud of him for all his achievements. So yeah, it's been good so far. So we are going to have the Malwani fish curry now. Guys, it's so delicious. If you're in Bangalore, come to Farzi Cafe in UB City and try the Malwani fish curry. It's super delicious. Amazing. Very nice. Baby, how's it? Absolutely. Guys, that's the complimentary dessert, coconut jaggery pie. Paisam. Oh, sorry. Coconut jaggery paisam. So guys, we finished our lunch here, including the dessert. It was wonderful. And the hospitality of Farzi Cafe is so amazing. Of course, they know my husband so well. So they wanted to treat us and compliment us with delicious food here. So we are so full, and we thought now let's just walk around UB City Mall until we wait for our friend. She's not here yet. So once she's here, we'll join her for coffee. Right? See you after a break. The weather here is just amazing. इतनी अच्छी ठंडी हवा चल रही है and सौंधी सौंधी खुशबू भी आ रही है. So guys, stay tuned as I would make you meet one of Gaurav's best friend, and I fondly call her sister-in-law, and also I'll cook rajma for my in-laws in the next episode.